What is the main advice you would give to a filmmaker starting out today?
The main advice I would give somebody that's starting filmmaking today is learn your voice. Learn what makes you, you. That's the fundamental need that we have in the world. We need artists who are in touch with their humanity, who are in touch with their community, who are in touch with their culture, and have something to say about it. Live your life. You know, you're not going to have something to say at 20 probably. You have to go into the world. You have to live. You have to experience all the things that life has to throw at you in order to have a voice, to have something to say, to have things that you care about, to have things that you want to fight for. That's the main thing I would say. You want to have a perspective and to be able to share it. And the tools are going to change. You can learn a new tool, you can learn a new system, you can learn a new way of expressing yourself. But if you don't know your own voice, if you don't know your own place in the world, then you're not going to know what you have to say. So the main thing that I would say is learn your voice, learn what you want to express, and then fight doggedly to find a way to express that. Your curiosity and your life experience are the thing that are going to set you apart, you know, and then it's tenacity. Like, don't give up. You're going to face rejection time and time again. And I've had so many moments where I thought, well, is this going to be the thing that breaks me in, where my career will finally be something and I'll be successful? And I just keep having that feeling. It is a journey and it is a fight and it is a struggle. And we work in a gig-based economy, like, you know, in filmmaking. Every soaring experience you have will ultimately end. And then you'll be left wondering, well, what's the next film that I want to make? And what's the next story I want to tell? And you're going to have to dig in yourself and find some new part of yourself to go out there and do that thing again that scares you. So take risks, stay curious.